Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my blog. This is based on the new YPP program that YouTube has put up, and that's the YouTube Partner Program. The fact that they've changed the requirements to make or monetize your channel now. You need 4,000 watch minutes per year, and you need at least 1,000 subscribers. Now, when this came out, they gave us 30 days to get to that goal, and I'm finding a lot of folks who they've only got like 150 people. Subscribers. They may be close, they may be, within a couple hundred, and I fit into that couple hundred. Well, we've been finding that the fact that if you just turn around and start trying to grab current subscribers who have their own channels, this is not the way to do it. I know you're panicking, and I'm in the same boat, because I get an average of 3 new subscribers a day, and that's not going to help me reach my goal. Right now I'm about 150 subscribers short. And that's going to set me back probably, I'm figuring, about 3 months before I'm going to be able to get my channel monetized again. And then quote maybe not, depending on whether my content follows what the new requirements are. I don't know what they are, but I know if you follow your original requirements and don't get yourself into trouble with copywriting and a lot of swearing in your videos and stuff of that nature, then you're probably going to be all right. If you follow your community guidelines, should I say. But I'm not out there spamming anybody. If somebody requests that I subscribe to that, I will check their video out, their channel out, and then watch a video, and then I'll go from there. I'll make a comment. But just going out there looking for people who will subscribe to your channel, who already have their channels, that's basically not, I don't recommend it. I have been hearing that sometimes the fact that if you're doing that, I've heard that a lot of people have been losing subscribers. The YouTube analytics or whatever are going in there, and they're dumping people's subscribers by hundreds, and that's not a good way to go. And I chose not to do that. I had started to put up a blog, and I decided that's not the way to do it. And thank you, the Angry Pirate. Put a comment on one of my videos, and then I went back and took a look at his video, and I see exactly what I chose not to do. So hey, take a look at his video and subscribe. But there are ways to subscribe to other people's channels and get them to come back and maybe subscribe to yours. But it's definitely to take a look at the individual who's requesting you to come and subscribe to their channel. Take a look at it and then comment and then subscribe. That's about all I can say. The main thing I'm stressing here is don't be pushing and pushing and pushing to pull in other channels to subscribe, because most of them are trying to build their own channels, and a lot of times they're not going to be able to get back and take a look at your videos and stuff like that. So but YouTube is watching, so don't want to lose any subscribers that you've already got. I would have already made it, but I look at my analytics throughout the past 2 years. I've lost about 200 subscribers. They come in and my content is not what they want to watch. I do a lot of automotive repair, and unfortunately, when I get on a project, I'm usually on that project for a couple of videos. Even though I do automotive on Fords, Chevys, Chryslers, people who are looking to take a look at our Shih Tzus that I do videos of, they're not really into the cars. Those that like to take a look at my drone videos, they're not really into the cars or the Shih Tzus. I don't specialize in one area. I'm in a whole bunch, so that's why I've got a wide, vast playlist. And those that watch my home improvement videos are into the cars. So I may wind up being stuck in automotive for a month or two, and they lose interest and unsubscribe or whatever. But back to the subject here again. Don't be quote unquote spamming other channels to get yourself up to your quota. Get quality subscribers, and main thing is don't do that, because YouTube will start sucking your subscribers out of your analytics, and then you're right back in the same boat. So do it slow. Again, I'm probably at as drastic measure as they are, but I am reaching out, putting my videos out on YouTube. I am boosting my my videos as Facebook would have you do it. So that's one of my facets. We'll see how that works out. But again, this is just a warning. Don't be spamming on YouTube to get other channels to subscribe to you. So just my I'm just saying. So I guess I'll put this on I'm just saying. So, but anyway, definitely comment and subscribe the right way. Click on the DC, and we will catch you on the next I'm Just Saying.